Hello and good day, class. Check this out. This is for all my 3D designers, the people who've been following the Blender tutorials that I've been showing you. It's a free program. I'm going to show you an easy way to animate your character. And I'm going to show you what rigging means, because some of you don't know what rigging means. And rigging is basically when you attach bones to a model, a 3D model that you've created. Whether an animal, vehicle, human being, I'm going to show you how to rig it so it moves. This video specifically though is going to be for the humans. It's going to be very easy, one of the easiest ways I've seen so far, and it's going to be free to do. And also, this is beginner friendly, so if you have no idea about this, if you just pay attention to what I'm doing, you'll be able to do it as well. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how I basically build it from scratch. Build my meta character from scratch, my 3D animated character from scratch. So we're going to go to Avatar SDK. This is where we're going to create our character. It's not a program. I mean, you don't have to download any program. It's web-based. So don't quote me on this, but I'm sure it'll work on all devices. So create a meta person. I'll leave the link in the description. I've covered using Avatar SDK before in an earlier video on my channel, but I will quickly go over it with you guys again for those who haven't seen that video. So now we're on the Avatar SDK main page, I guess, or design page, and we're gonna go to browse photo up here, right? You're gonna find a photo front facing of yourself or an image you've created. If you want, I'll show you guys quickly how I even made the image. So what I want to do, I went to Leonardo AI. I'll leave that link in the description as well. It's an AI image generator where you can just generate images using prompts. For those who might not know about this, don't worry, I'm going to show you. So here we are. You go to image generation. Now, what I typed in was right here, front-facing 3D render close-up shot of a beautiful woman with long curly hair. But let's do this. Let's do this again. Sorry, front-facing 3D render close-up shot of a monstrous man. So these are good. These are all good. They're great. Now I want the one that has the most lighting in it. So I'm gonna take this one. So after you do that, you're gonna go to Avatar SDK. You're gonna go to browse photo. Now you're gonna go to that image that you just saved and downloaded. Here it is. Now you're gonna choose on the right here, male, female, don't specify. So here, I'll put it on male. Over here, I generate. Here is our character. Now let's, over here on the right, let's go to the head. See that? This is a character. Now let's go back to the image, and as you can see, it looks very much like him. Now what I would do to make this even more realistic, you see the hair over here, you can change the hair. You can also change the head size and all this stuff. So let's just bring this down a little bit because his head seems just a little bit giant compared to his body. So you can play around with this and get the way you want. Now if we go to here, actually let's go to color, because this is a big thing too. So I want his hair to be more black. Right, there you go. You can change the eye color as well. You can use skin color, lips, all this stuff you can change. Now you can go to the hair and you can change his hair around. Okay, I like his hair the way it is, so we're gonna leave that. We can also change the color of this by clicking on this setting right here, and then we can pick whatever color we desire on here. So I want it to be a little grayish. So after you have your image selected, remember, you can play around with these settings as well. I'm not going to do that in this video because I did it in the other one. But you're going to save your character or download your character now. This is going to be in 3D, okay, folks? I want you guys to understand that. So you're going to go here. You put in your email. You can't just right click and paste it. You got to go to Control V. As you can see, they only give you 60 seconds to do this. So after that's completed, you're going to go to this program. It's web-based, so you won't have to download anything, and it's free. all the programs I'm showing you today, folks, will be free. So you go to Mixamo, Mixamo, link in description. Now you're gonna go to upload character on the right, select character, and find the character that you just downloaded. It takes about, I guess, maybe a minute, less than a minute. There you go. That was less than a minute so far. And now, as you can see, here's our character. He's in and he's animated, folks. I can end the video right here, but I'm not going to, right? So you're gonna go to next. Okay, make sure you go to next. So let's just have him. People love dancing, because I have a dancing video on my channel with a girl that I created, and got a good amount of views. Okay, I like the view counts. It's not that high. It's not Mr. Beast high or anything, but yeah, it's high enough for teaching beats right now. You got different dances, and I like Thriller Part 3. We're gonna keep this very simple, folks, very fast, or fast enough. So after you're gonna see this, you're gonna see overdrive. This is how fast it's gonna basically move. The arm spacing, how close the arms will be to the body. See, his arms get closer to the body. It gets further away. I'll keep it right there in the middle. I like that. So when you have your character ready, you can just look around your character if you want. Look, so you know it's completely 3D. This is not flat. Now, a lot of people at this point in the video might be saying, why would I even care? I'm not sure if any of those people would still be here, but let's just say you are here right now and you're like, okay, why would I care? Well, you can put this character into a video game. You can put yourself into your own video game. You can put yourself into your own animated film that you can post on YouTube, different sites, and start to get paid for it. There will be no copyright. Why? Because it is your creation of yourself. After you download it, you're going to want to unzip it. So let's go to downloads. Here it is, the Thriller Part 3. Oh wait, sorry guys, you will not have to unzip it. So let's quickly go into our Blender program. So open up your Blender 4.2. I will leave a link in the description. We'll get rid of that by pressing X or right click and then scroll to delete. Now here, what you're gonna do, you wanna import that character, right? Okay, so first, let us just put down a plane on the floor, okay? Let's just put a plane here. Add mesh, plane. Simple things, right? Let's bring this a little big. There you go, we got that. Now, to import that 3D dancing character that you made, or walking, or whatever animated character, you're gonna go to File, Import, FBX. Download, and we're gonna go to the Thriller Part 3. There you go. So here's your character ready. All right. Now, as you can see, it looks like he's the guy from Terminator 2 that can liquefy. T1, is it T1000? Yeah, I believe it's a T1000. So you're probably like, why does it look like that? Well, that's because up here you are actually in the viewport shading. So up here is you want to go to material, and there you have it, folks. There you have it. And let's play our character. And there you go, folks. How to rig and animate in Blender 4.2, 3.6. You have it. So you guys keep playing around with these programs and your results will be great. And until I see you next time, keep learning, keep teaching. See ya. I can tell that you want it, and I know that you about it. Don't you lie to us, cause we know.